Sub-Officer in charge of Area 3 for the Agricultural Protection Branch, Inspector Eugene Robinson, says the police are targeting a 25% reduction in animal and crop theft in the area for 2026. Inspector Robinson says with the establishment of the APB, the police are better equipped to tackle predial larceny and will be pursuing offenders more aggressively this year.
Farmers themselves who fail to issue the receipt to persons. Please, farmers, we don't want this to continue, where farmers sell their goods and we come across persons out there who don't have a receipt. Yes, it's a farmer, we find, but we trace it where to the farm and all of that, and we see where it's not stolen. Yes? However, the law requires you to issue a receipt.
Inspector Robinson warned that persons convicted of stealing animals and crops could face between 7 and 10 years in prison.
It's important that you not only follow the law, but it is a safety mechanism for farmers when you issue a receipt with your product. Please, it is important, and it avoid you going to the court